if you could only. Taste this. Delicious tomato, my friend. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, dear trader friends, welcome to another update on my trading account. It's been a while, my friends. It's been some days, but I want to keep you updated on my bigger account because I have been mentally unstable. Not really, but I did take a bigger hit, and yes, I'm back again. Let us look at the account itself. I have just opened up the statistics tab of my account, so I hope it doesn't the numbers doesn't get covered from my webcam, but here it is in German. You can also check out the page. There is all information transparent to what orders I do have open, how big my account is, how big the growth is, and we are back up again. $107,000 in the profit on that account. I really started trading on this account like on February, which is yeah, a pretty crazy amount. And I have also learned something, because you never stop learning. So my account is currently at a equity, which means this is the actual amount that I'm at right now, $260,000. But I have to say, yes, you saw the latest videos, and if you didn't check it out, because I have had my account above $300,000 already. And I had to climb my way back up because something nasty happened in the markets, and yeah, I didn't manage the account properly with risk, so I fell back down. But I'm back on my feet, aiming for the 300k back, and let's see how that looks like. So let us just take a look at the chart for now, so you can also see some technicals and see what actually is going on. Very important is that this is actually educational information. Everything is educational for educational purposes. This is no financial advice, but yeah, I like how much you like those numbers and see actually the transparency of my account when I show it to you. People really appreciate it, and I also do appreciate it if people really show me their accounts and the insights, because this is what I'm actually interested about. So let's switch to the account itself. We are here right now, and I have been trading mostly the Swiss franc versus the Japanese yen. And as you can see below, you can see I have still 4 positions open on a Swiss franc Japanese yen. I have been shorting on the very top of this rally, which has yeah, like now you see this is a phenomenal price to short from at the top. My strategy, actually, my Heikenkatsui strategy, the secret weapon, actually gives me the opportunities to short from such nice prices. But still, you have to know how to manage risk. Since I'm not using stop losses, but I'm using a hedging approach, I'm using counter positions to protect my account. It's a bit of a different way to trade than you would usually see from other YouTubers. So don't be confused too much. But I do have 4 positions open now on the Swiss franc Japanese yen, and I do have 1 position open on the Canadian dollar versus the Swiss franc, which is here, and the trade has been like, we skyrocketed. We pumped so hard on this one, and we bought right there at the bottom, ladies and gentlemen. Phenomenal. We are up round about 160 pips, and yeah, it's been a blessing on this trade. Everything worked out perfectly on this trade. I already have closed a bigger position on this because I had 5 lots open on this trade, and I left 1.5 lots running for more potential upside, because we are approaching the end of a big and huge daily channel, but also here we have had broken this low, this all-time low on the Canadian dollar Swiss franc, and we have reversed and have been rejected with a huge spike to the downside. So we can expect some potential reversal over here. That's why I let the position still run. And yeah, we will see if we are gonna see some break of structure over here. It is very, very likely after we got rejected here from this previous all-time low to be broken. So let's see how this trade develops. I'm very, very excited about that. Other than that, we have the Swiss franc versus the Japanese yen. We have basically the reversal scenario. We have broken the all-time high over here, but now we see the correction to the downside. I don't want to keep the short side too long here, and I am actually aiming for a yeah, let me see, like we hit the 38 over here, so we are actually aiming here for some yeah, for some closings depending on the swing to the downside after we see the reversal, because we will see a correction of this wave first, and then we will see if we can break this low. If we will break this low, I'm gonna keep the short positions. I will set a very tight stop on this sell position over here that I reopened, because it can be quite risky, because this could be the low, the low of this whole correction, because we hit the 38 Fibonacci. So over here, this might be it for the correction to the downside, because we broke the all-time high. So this is quite speculative. This is quite dangerous to hold the position for too long. But yeah, but my strategy still is saying that there is some potential downside. So we will see how that will play out. We will see how strong the move on the H1 will be to the upside. Yes, I will set a stop loss when market will open above those highs, to not lose too much here, and I will still keep the buys that I have. So I have a hedging position, I have counter positions, I have sells, shorts, and buys, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm trading in both directions. I want to make money on both directions. As of right now, it looks like we are still having some momentum to the upside. So until that momentum is ongoing, we will see. It's gonna probably grab the liquidity here on the left side. So I don't know if the short here was the best decision, but yes, I'm gonna keep a very tight spot on this position, and then short from a better price most probably, but I'm gonna have a stop loss here of, yeah, like not much. That's only $900 on that $250,000 account. That's actually nothing. So yeah, let's gonna see how that one plays out. Overall structure on this pair is bullish. That's why we don't want to be too fancy with trading the correction over here. But on that side, it's different. On the Canadian dollar Swiss franc, we have had been very bullish, but we got rejected, which is very, very important. We might see a big reversal over here. So this is a different scenario. We have a super good price. We will let this position ride for longer. So this was actually everything from the technical side of the Canadian dollar versus the Swiss franc, and the Swiss franc versus the Japanese yen that I'm in right now. I'm gonna keep you updated, ladies and gentlemen, maybe with 1 or 2 videos every week. And yeah, stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. Check out the link for the stats to see some transparency and open positions if you are interested. Other than that, I wish you a very nice day and happy trading. Bye.
But no financial advice.